Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making this Leopard Kumihimo, and I have used light brown strings and dark brown with a little bit of neo pink, yes. And to get started, we are going to make our loop. Now, I quite apologize. I forgot to film the loop when I made the loop, but I'm going to explain it now. So first, we are going to need to cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to cut 5 strings of brown. Each should be about 68 inches, and then cut 2 strings of dark brown or black, whatever color you want to use. Cut 2 strings of that same 68, but one of the brown strings will be longer, remember, for the loop. Then we're going to cut 2 short strings. One is neo pink and one is dark brown. We're going to cut those, or black. We're going to cut those half the size of what we cut for our regular other length of string. And when you're done with your loop, you can get back to the tutorial. Now I'm trying something different today. I'm just going to tape this down and I'll show it to you. Why normally I would make a square knot here, I decided not to. Not because I don't have enough string or anything like that, but I just wanted to try something a bit different. So I'm going to be making a, well, backward forward knot here, and I'll be showing you how to do that just in case you don't make friendship bracelets, which is weird because most people don't make Kumihimo, make friendship bracelets. Anyway, put your strings in a D over the other one, the string we used to make our loop. So we're going to do that from the left to right, sorry, from right to the left. So we're going to make a half of a backward knot. Make sure you put those 2 tiny strings, the other halves of your uneven string, through that loop so it's, well, make the knots over it. Now we're going to make the backward part. Now the forward part. Forward part is like making a 4, then pulling your string out from the under, then through the loop and out. And make sure you keep those 2 tiny strings in there. So there, we've made our equivalent of a square knot. Now this Kumihimo Dix, I bought mine from Wish, but I'll have a link to the Amazon in the description in case you want to buy it from there. But now we're going to be putting our string, we're going to put it in the order we have on the screen, which means we'll be starting with the light brown. So we're going to put 2 strings of light brown on 1 and 2, leaving 2 spaces in between, that's 3 and 4, going into 5 and 6 with our 2 dark brown strings, leaving 2 spaces in between that. We're going to have pink in 8 and dark brown in 9. Leave 10 and 11, going into 12 with our light brown string, and 13. Leave spaces, that's 14, 15. And just going to continue like that. Oh, now I see I made a mistake here. So I'm supposed to have had brown in 16 and 17 for dark brown. So I've already switched that. Sorry. And then leave 2 spaces for the next one. Leave another 2 spaces for the next one. And I realized I have 3 spaces here, so I'm going to move the 29 to 28 and 30 down. So I have 3 spaces in between those 2, and then untangle anyone that's tangled. Now I'm ready to start. Keeping the tiny strings in the middle as usual, we are going to get started with our bracelet. So we're going to take whatever is on the top right down, that's 2 to 15. Then whatever is on the lower left, that's 17 to 32. Turn anti-clockwise, take 6 down to 19, and take 21 up to 4. Turn anti-clockwise, take 9 down to 23, and take 25 up to 7. Turn anti-clockwise and take 13 down to 27, take 29 up to 11. Turn, take 16 down to 31, and take 1 up to 14. Now remember, we're just making 3 steps, just 3 easy steps. So first step is take top right down. Second step is to take lower left up, and then third step turn, and repeat. So top right down, lower left up, and turn in the direction that the clock doesn't go. Top left and top right down, and then top, lower left, up and turn, then repeat. Now basically we're going to be repeating these 3 steps throughout this entire process. It might feel a bit repetitive, but that's how you make a kumihimo. And well, please make sure to keep the uneven strings in the middle throughout this process. Yeah, you could just cut it off at this point, but I decided not to because I wanted to show you what it looked like. And see, it's already coming out and it's forming our little leopard print. So we're just going to keep going a little bit more and you'd see how it looks. And PS, don't forget to put your string down. Make sure you have 3 strings on one side like how I currently do whenever you want to stop, even if it's just for a quick pause. It's easy to remember. So now I'm just going to sniff off that uneven string because I got tired of sitting down filming. I'm having like cramps, I'm sorry. So I'm just going to cut this a bit short. And I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end. This is my fluff. So at the end, we're just going to keep going. We're just going to keep turning, and to show you that when you cut it off, it doesn't have any effect on your bracelet. I just wanted to show you guys that. So now I'm going to show you the back, what I've done so far in about 12 minutes. This is what I've completed so far. I think I've gotten a little far. I'm almost like 1/8 of the bracelet, and this is what it's going to look like when I'm done. So have a nice time. Bye.